Tomorrow, flight to Mallorca and my 1 month European trip. What's inside my small backpack? I need to pack everything what's here in my room to this 20-liter CabinMax backpack because the fit restrictions in airlines. Let's start with the most important things, which is camera gear, drone, DJI Mini 3. Everything is in the description, entire list. So if you don't want to listen to me, if it is probably really bad sound quality room, you can just skip it. See the list in the description. Drone, Mini 3, amazing drone. I'm gonna use it, I hope, every single day. I mean, in Barcelona and big cities in Spain, I think I cannot fly, but I'm gonna try. Main camera, I think, or it depends. I'm gonna use iPhone, which I'm recording right now, iPhone 13 and GoPro 10. Spare GoPro batteries, headlamp, petal, Apple Watch, wake me up in hostels instead of alarm sound. Case where I keep drone, and I just put it into this, and that's how I travel with my drone. Controller to this bath, and it's like that. It works fine. This is very nice. Anker, charger, USB, great charger. Of course, my laptop. I'm gonna edit every day on it. MacBook Air M1, dongle to connect SD cards. Again by Anker. I just trust this company. I'm not sponsored. I want to please Anker. And I use the tripod, Ulanzi, but I use it right now. Only 2 pairs of shoes. Skechers, Go Wax 6, comfy shoe. Unfortunately, I don't think they're gonna last entire month because this easily breaks down. I'm gonna walk minimum 10 kilometers a day and flip-flops, shower and walk around hostels. Fanny pack, yes, I'm fanny pack guy, but I just keep my GoPro, my passport, wallet. People like to steal, especially in Barcelona, so that's really useful. Now my sleeping section. A basic blanket to just lay on a beach somewhere. That's the most important thing to sleep. Eye mask. When you have bad sleeping schedule like me, eye mask is a game changer. And second thing to combo those foam earplugs. You have to have a proper technique. Put your ear like that, and then they only work properly if they put them correctly. And maybe I'm gonna go to clubs, so those were a little bit different for like a club music. Then listen to music, but a little bit quiet. And inflatable pillow. Padlocks to lock my stuff in the hostels. And I forgot sleeping bag, of course, from Aldi for like 16 euro, I think. Bought it in Spain. Really useful. I'm gonna sleep a lot of times in the airports. The minimum temperature 15 degrees Celsius there, so it's only for like warm temperatures. And I found this like in a random beach somewhere in, I think, Italy. It's Carabiner. Maybe I'm gonna connect something or just like lock me with backpack when I'm gonna sleep. That's gonna be long one take video, no edits. I'm just too stressed out. I'm just sad that I'm leaving Bruno and my parents. But let's do something difficult. Decathlon backpack, small backpack, folds like that, and it's like proper 10-liter backpack. Bag for dirty clothes, bag for cables, groceries, just when I'm gonna go for a walk and I don't want to take a backpack. A lot of bags, very useful. I forgot, as of course, power banks. I mean, they are 20k. Anker again, the company. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in hostels every day, so I have a lot of things to charge. GoPro, batteries, drone, everything. And my iPhone, I need to charge it sometimes 4 times a day because the battery is so weak. This is important that I can charge it fast with this power delivery. And finally, clothes. 1 hoodie, 4F, Polish company, jacket. On the end of the trip, I'm going to be Nice, France. So Nice going to be like around 5 degrees. From warm 20 in Spain to this, so I need to be prepared. Jeans, I usually wouldn't take them, but I want to go to clubs. Just like random pants for running. 1 pair. Material easy to wash, like 1 pair of shorts, microfiber towel, 3 t-shirts of this like again material, easy to dry. All of this is from Decathlon. Tank tops to like sleep with them or just go work out. 6 pairs of socks because I want to run. 4 parts of underwear. 2 elegant polo shirts to go to clubs with them, H&M. And there's like 1 long warm long sleeve. Toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, bar of shampoo, soap, floss, Vaseline. I use this Vaseline to style my hair. Nail clipper, passport. I think that's it. That's gonna be it. Oh, sorry, one take. Okay, I need to say that I play League of Legends all day, basically, with my friends. All the good times. We just were having fun, chatting on Discord and playing. I know it's long time as I'm wasting my life, so I'm glad that I'm flying tomorrow. I'm not booking any hostels tomorrow. We will see what's going to happen. Like 6 p.m. I'm going to be in Mallorca, so I'm going to talk about how much money I spent each day. Let's enjoy the journey. Be positive, not complain. I want to exercise every single day. Eat healthy, drink water. That's why I take this flask. I'm going to only drink water. Eat a lot of yogurts with the spoon. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow in Mallorca and a little bit more. Some last tips for traveling. I put all of the socks to 1 sock and I roll my clothes. Somehow managed to put this into this backpack. Try to manage so this sleeping bag at the bottom gets so small when you squeeze. This backpack doesn't have a laptop case. So it's like that, okay. And drone. How I managed to do that last time, I don't know. Everything fits. I hope my laptop survives this. Flip-flops, blanket on the other side, and that's it. That's my backpack.